Hi.
Boy.
Boy. Where are we going?
Science.
What? Hi everyone. Ngayon lalabas kami, pupunta kami sa Science World. Panonood ng TV. First time nila pupunta. Eto, nakapunta na sa school sa field trip. It's her first time daw. Kasi hindi pa siya nakapunta. Eto, nakapunta na. You went to Science World, right? In your field trip? Everyone, eto yung wife ko. I forgot to introduce sa first video. I'm Jordan, eto si Stephanie.
Hi guys.
I believe I introduced my two kids, Sabrina and Scarlett, the one wearing the white. Who's Sabrina? Who's Scarlett? Magbus lang kami. Ready? Paalis na kami. Magbus lang, dahil sa harap lang ng bahay. Hi.
Magbabas kami kasi mahirap ang parking doon.
Hindi lang mahirap, mahal din.
Mahal din pala.
Ayan, excited. First time na talaga. Ito na. Yan lang yung bus stop. Just in front sa compound. Lapit lang. Dito tatawid. Dito tayo magbus? Dito pala. Hindi pala kami tatawid yan. Isang bus stop. Ito bus stop the other way. Dito kami sasakay. Anong oras? There's our bus, guys. Let's go. Ready? Switch. Mag-skytrain na kami from the bus. Ito na 22nd station. Hi.
Hi guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa train.
Skytrain time.
Skytrain kami. Papunta na.
No. Naiwan sa train. Ayan, 3 minutes pa. Ayan, eto na ride namin. The ride is here. Oh, we're here. Science World. Science World.
Guys, nandito na kami sa Science.
We're here in Science World. First time nila, dami din bata dito kasi summer vacation.
Magjowa pa kami ngayon.
Ang tagal na namin nakapunta dito. Yeah. Oy, who wants to take a picture with them? Hey guys, dito kayo. Ito na, we're inside. Ganda ng mga wood art. May mask. Yan, more art. Oh, carving. What? Ano to? Space gallery, no? Dito daw sila sa Dream Builders. Are you a dream builder? Uy, ang ganda dito. Oh, she knows where to go. Oh, what are you building?
Turtle.
Okay. Ang ganda, tingnan mo itong large screen. Mag-build siya ng ano niya. What do you call that? Environment. So, ikaw magpili ano gusto mo. Lagay ka ng bahay, goat. Yan, nilagay nila ito. Turtle, goat, bahay, mga crystals. Tingnan mo yung screen. Oh, ayan na. Nilagay niya lahat. There's go. Oh, lagyan ng puno. Wow. That's a lot of trees. Put some rocks. There we go. Tree size. Make the tree shorter. O, palitan natin tree. Oh, ang galing. What? Ay, ang galing dito ah. O, dito sa kabila. Hoy! Oh, you can make them move? Oh, okay. Oh, itong maliit. May ginagawa din siya sa sarili niya. Floating island. Ah, ito weather.
Rainy.
Ito weather. Anong oras sa araw? Anong mood?
It needs to be sunny.
Oh,
Tapos
sunny.
ambient sound, lahat. Okay, tingnan natin. Scene, you can also change the scene to desert, forest, or roses. Oh, go, push. Let's see. It's snowy. Let's make the snowy with a thunderstorm. Yeah,
I want it sunny though.
thunderstorm.
Mama, I want sunny.
Oh, you want sunny? Okay. Let's make it tonight. Turn it night. Gabi na. Dagdagan natin ng hangin. Oh. Ulan. Thunder. Ito, character artist. Gawa ka ng sarili mong creature. Try nga natin. Let's see. Gawa tayo ng Shrike. Color. Yan. Okay, lakyan natin. Yan. Tapos, attack. Nice. Ayun. Wow. Nakakatawa. What are you making? What? There's a ship. I didn't even know there's a spaceship in there. What is that? Hey, you're artistic director. Where are you going? Oh, dito na kami sa kabila. Alam na yung isa dito kasi nakapunta ni dito. Uy, ang galing ah. Look under you, Scarlett. Look under you while you walk. Jump on the boulders. Color, try. Oy, ang galing dito ah. Oh, there's bunnies coming out. Oh, ang ganda dito sa mga bata. Tingnan mo, enjoy na enjoy. Oh. There's more here. These don't do anything. Wala. Parang ito lang na side na to. Yung bunny lumalabas. Tapos kada step nila, oh, ayun. Chi, what if you step on the water? Is that water? Oh no. Oh, nothing. What about that shiny crystal there? What's this? That one. Oh, you stepped on it, yeah. Oh, nothing? Oh, nothing. Just like a shiny thing there. Pala yun, every time you step, it cracks open. Ayun. Basag. Uy, may dragon. Tapos, eto mga bunny, pag tamaan mong bato na may bunny, lalabas yung bunny. Ayun. So, tamakan pa natin. Ayun. Dito may crack na parang stingray. Sige, step on it. Oh, lalabas yan. Step on it again. Only one? Oh, okay. Isa lang. Mag-isa lang malabas. Guys, pag nandito kayo sa Vancouver, dalhin yung mga bata dito. Enjoy talaga. Enjoy talaga. Tingnan mo, mga Lego astronauts. Lego astronaut. What? Ganda.
Sorry.
Lego. Look. How heavy are you? Okay. Wait. First, Chi. Both of them are chimpanzees. Chi is...
Giant.
You're a giant octopus. Pacific octopus. What about Scarlett? Scarlett is a Wolverine. What? Me? Okay. Ako, I'll stand. What? I weigh like I'm a sheep. 90 kilo. Kayo.
Oh my gosh.
Komodo dragon.
Dragon.
Oh, natakot siya pumasok. That's that's like that's a beaver's nest. That's how they build their nest, so you know what's inside.
What's there?
Yeah? That's their house. You go inside and that's where they live. Sige, let's go together. We go under. Pasok ako. Aray ko. Dan, ayun yung beaver. Ito yung bahay ng beaver. Yeah, look. Beaver's right there eating wood. Chomping on wood. Yeah. Oh, and then lalabas tayo. Aray ko. Aray ko. Oh!
Take a picture, go. Take a picture, your turn.
Ayan yung bahay ng beaver. Oh, Scarlett! Scarlett, where are you going? In the house. Tree house. Let's go. Go in the tree house. I'll take picture. Oh, there's TV? Go, I'll take picture. Look, T-Rex. Oh, Scarlett, come, let's go. It's a T-Rex bone. Takot. Takot siya. Are you scared? Look at that, oh. Come. Hold me. Hold me, I'll hold you. I'll carry you. Come. Oxalato.
Pink.
So look, where is it?
Why not there? Why not pink? Yeah, why not
Oh, it's there.
Why not pink?
It's not the pink one.
Why not pink?
Nagtanong sila hindi yung pink kasi usually yung pink yung maganda. Wala na, yun lang ata mag-isa. Bakit na hindi pink? Oh, ano?
Make sure
Ready?
hindi ka
Make sure you don't touch the metal.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, Che, you do it. What? You lost already?
Wait lang, wait after
Try niya yung metal grip. Yan, tingnan natin kung hanggang saan ang powers niya. Hanggang nun lang. 62 kilogram. How about you, Chi?
Nope. Squeeze as hard as you can. 15 kilograms.
13 kilogram.
Alam mo, Scarlett. Squeeze
How about you?
Squeeze it. Two hands. Let's go. Two hands. Then 11 kilo. Yeah, it's okay. It measures it there. Guys, nag-snack. Naamoy yung popcorn. Etong maliit, basta makaamoy ng popcorn. Iinom talaga. Ay, kakain talaga ng popcorn. Touch it. Oh, let go. Let Scarlett try it. Up, higher. Whoa. Ito, they're hungry. So, nag-burger muna kami. Nanay, burger.
Yeah, burger muna kasi gutom na kami. Well, bukalak na. Lunch time na.
Ito. Hotdog. Ito nag-hotdog, ito nag-burger.
Hotdog and cucumber.
Ito. Ako burger din. Triple O.
Tagal na namin hindi nakakain dito, guys.
The triple O. Ayan. Mga busog na.
Busog na kami, guys.
So, puzzle daw sila. Can you solve it? Pauwi na. The day is done. And then, nakabili na ng mga gift sa gift shop.
Halagang bato sa bato.
Mga bato-bato na binibili.
Hello guys! Kami nagbabalik. Punta kami ngayon sa tattoo shop. First time niyang magpapatato.
Yeah.
Bigla lang niyang naisip.
My
Ngayon,
first tattoo.
first tattoo niya. Maliit lang naman. After namin ng pangalan
Science
niya?
World.
Science World. Nagpa-schedule siya ng
Tattoo shop.
tattoo niya sa dito. Malapit lang din sa amin. Samahan niyo kami! Excited ka na ba, tatay?
Yeah.
Sa yung first tattoo.
My first tattoo. Sakit ba yan?
Yan guys, papunta na kami mga 10 minutes kasi dapat 5 o'clock pa. Nag-text na si ate na ready na daw yung magtatattoo sa kanya. Kaya yan, excited na ang first son! First time niya sa Pilipinas, ayaw niya magpatattoo. Ngayon bigla niyang naisip. Tingnan natin. Mamaya pakita namin sa inyo mamaya kung gaano kalaki yung tattoo na ipapagawa niya. Guys, nandito na kami sa Alon Tattoo Shop. Excited ka na?
Yeah, medyo. Kasi masakit ba talaga yan?
Kabado 20?
Yeah, kaya ko yan. Tapos na, nagpatato din siya. Bigla lang. Yung sa akin, ang ganda sa akin, si Snorlax.
Wala sa plano guys, nainggit lang ako.
Pauwi na kami.